In an unprecedented move that's set to revolutionize the tech industry, the White House has proposed a staggering $8.5 billion in funding for Intel's domestic chip manufacturing. This funding proposal is a game changer, and it's been influenced by a multitude of factors. Firstly, the CHIPS Act, a legislative piece aimed at bolstering U.S. technological prowess. Secondly, the persistent supply chain issues that have been plaguing industries worldwide. Lastly, the ongoing tensions between the U.S. and China have also played a significant role in this decision. Intel, a titan in the chip manufacturing sector, has signaled its commitment to U.S. manufacturing through its planned $10 billion facility in Ohio. This is just one of the many investments Intel plans to make, which are expected to create thousands of jobs across various states. But with global leaders like TSMC setting the pace, Intel's challenge is not just to catch up, but to innovate and lead. With such a significant financial backing, it is clear that the U.S. government is keen on boosting domestic chip production. But the question remains, is it enough? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. While this proposal is undoubtedly a step in the right direction, it's not without its fair share of challenges and implications. Now, let's delve into the potential impact of this funding. Intel's plans to invest in other states could create thousands of jobs, boosting the U.S. job market significantly. This initiative represents an important shift towards strengthening domestic production, a move influenced greatly by supply chain issues and U.S.-China tensions. Yet, as we celebrate this potential job boom, we need to scrutinize the bigger picture. Experts have raised concerns about whether these efforts will be sufficient to compete with global leaders, such as Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, also known as TSMC. The global chip manufacturing market is fiercely competitive, and the U.S. has been lagging in this race for quite some time. This concern is not without merit. Let's take a look at Intel's delayed plant opening in Ohio. This delay highlights the challenges in closing the manufacturing gap. It's not just about the money, it's about the technology, the expertise, and the time it takes to get a plant up and running. It's about staying on top of the game in a rapidly evolving industry where delays can cost not just millions, but market dominance. These challenges underscore the complexity of revitalizing the domestic chip manufacturing industry. It's not just about pouring billions into the sector. It's about strategic investments, fostering innovation, and creating sustainable solutions that will stand the test of time. As we can see, while the funding proposal brings a glimmer of hope, there are substantial hurdles to overcome. This is not a quick fix, but a long-term commitment that requires patience, resilience, and a lot of hard work. The question remains, is the U.S. ready to take on these challenges and regain its position as a global leader in chip manufacturing? Only time will tell. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and type, "I have subscribed to the channel" in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tech news and updates.